السابقون الأولون من المهاجرين والأنصار والذين اتبعوهم بإحسان.
Try reading the book of Allah in a minute. 23 years. 23 years it took the revelation to come down to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. 23 years one book was sent down. The book of Allah. What do you want? You want it in a minute? You want the deen in a sound bite? Or in a music video maybe? Like some of these shayateen from America and Canada. They will sing to you about Islam and put it in a rap for you. Is that good enough for you? 2-minute rap song. You learn all about Islam. Is that what you want? So up until we are dancing and prancing around on stage, it's not good enough for you. That's what you want. What is it that you want, ya ikhwan? Jokes, a comedian to sit in the front and to crack jokes and make you laugh? Or a magician at the front to pull out a rabbit out of a hat for you? Say, that's the Islam I like. It's entertainment. Islam is serious. It is Jannah and Nar. It is the grave and its punishment and its bliss. Islam is a deen that calls you to strive and to struggle in the cause of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in that struggle, you will find sweetness of Iman. And you will find joy in your souls. Doing good for yourself and doing good for others. Imagine that you strive for others, you go out of your way. You carry a load on your back like Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu used to do. To feed the old blind lady. As the Khalifa of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam after Abu Bakr. Why would he go through all of that as the leader of the Muslims, Amir al-Mu'mineen? Except that he found happiness in helping others. He found joy in the ibadah of others. Or in the ibadah of Allah, rather. And happiness in helping others. Get off this social media. Get off it, you're hooked. And your youngsters are hooked. Your girls and your boys are hooked. I'm not saying there is no khair in it. We have websites. And we have a Twitter account. But that's for what? That's to tell you the dars is tomorrow. That's to tell you read this article. Ya akhi, I can only read one paragraph. I can't read 14 paragraphs.